Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track bug reports efficiently using Todoist, your handy-dandy project management tool. So let's get started. First things first, create a new Todoist project specifically for bug tracking. This will serve as your command center for all things bug-related. Now, why do we do this? Well, having a separate project just for bugs will greatly simplify your tracking process and keep your workspace clean and organized. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step. Here, you will define specific task labels for each bug category. You might use labels like urgent, in progress, resolved, or anything else that makes sense for your workflow. This helps us because labels in Todoist give us a clear, visual way to categorize and filter our tasks. Next up, we're going to create sections within our project. These sections will correspond to the stages of your bug resolution process, such as reported, under review, in progress, and resolved. The reason we do this is to visually map the bug lifecycle and easily see where each bug is in its resolution process. Now let's create a task for each bug report. Add them to the reported section and label them appropriately. Remember, each bug is a task. And here's what's happening behind the scenes. By creating a task for each bug, we're ensuring that no bug slips through the cracks. Each one is accounted for and can be tracked individually. Finally, as bugs move through the resolution process, drag and drop them into the appropriate section and update their labels accordingly. This helps us because it gives us a real-time view of where each bug is in the resolution process. Let me explain why this matters. With a well-structured bug tracking system in Todoist, you can easily manage and resolve bugs, keeping your project moving forward smoothly. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to track bug reports in Todoist. Remember, the key is in organization, separate project-specific labels, sections for each stage, and individual tasks for each bug. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bug tracking.